Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. You know it's Matt, you know it's 5-minute sup reviews. You definitely know it's not a pre-workout review from another small company. And it's Malek Labs, and it's their Ultra Power pre-workout. It has 15 workout amplifiers, 6 grams L-Citrulline malate, 2 grams BCAAs, and 2 grams Beta-Alanine. Some other goodies in here. I'm going to go through this. You know how I do it. I'm going to run it for a few days. Before I do that, I'm going to go over the supplement facts. And do we want to add this to our arsenal or not? Okay, supplement facts up over there. 1 scoop, clocking in at 14 grams. That's a decent sized scoop. So let's see what's in here for the 30 servings. Alright, we're going to go down a little bit. You have L-Citrulline malate at 6 grams like I mentioned earlier. BCAAs 2-to-1 ratio at 2 grams. I understand why some companies put BCAAs in there. I don't like it because it's just, I think it's filler, but not to knock it. But if you're getting them in that way, so be it. Alright, Beta-Alanine 2 grams, not a bad dosage right there. L-Arginine at 750, L-Carnitine tartrate at 500 milligrams, taurine at 500 milligrams, theanine, clocking at 350 milligrams. That's quite a bit. Let's see what other stimulants are in here. I don't like theanine in pre-workouts because I want that amped up energy, but they might want this to calm down a little bit, you know, get that mid-level, low-level pre-workout. So let's see. L-tyrosine 250 milligrams, caffeine from natural vegetable caffeine, at 200 milligrams. Kind of wish that theanine and caffeine were flip-flop, 350 to 200, but we'll always give it a shot here. Theobromine 50 milligrams, and bioperine for absorption at 5 milligrams. Alright, let's see, what do we have here? Tropical Blast, naturally flavored. So I can tell you right there, it's going to not taste as good, but I don't mind natural flavors sometimes because it's a different change from taking all those artificial flavors from, you know, pre-workouts, BCAAs, and so forth. So if they want to change it up, I'm not against it. Smells fruity. What is it again? Tropical Blast. YouTube Nation, here's the Ultra Power. Get that aftertaste in there. It tastes more like a grapefruit to me mixed with other fruits. For being natural, I've had some that were really bad and I had some that were pretty good. This is not bad, to be honest with you. I mean, it's middle of the road. 3 scoopers out of 5. I mean, I'm fine with this. It's a pre-workout. Flavors are bonus, and this is not horrible. So yeah. And also, they gave me their Ultra Recovery. And in here, we have some L-Carnitine at 3 grams and hydrolyzed collagen peptides at 5 grams as well. So 1 tablespoon per serving. I'm going to put the supplement facts over here. Sorry about that. Slacking right now. And then there's 32 servings in here. I've never seen 32 in a serving container. But, so that sounds pretty cool. Let's see if I can open this real quick, give a flavor rating. What is this? I don't even know what flavor. Alright, that last image was no joke. This was like Fort Knox getting in here, but let's give it a quick flavor rating. I have no idea what flavor it is, but thankfully, got my tablespoon to test it. I feel like I'm sick or something. Ooh, that's thick. With 2 C's, baby. Ooh. It's a fruity flavor too. It's not bad. I think you could take it as is or mix it with, you know, maybe your BCAAs, EAs, or so forth. But flavor's fine. I'm going to see, you know, how I recover with this flavor. 4 scoopers out of 5, and I'll see you for the final. The first time I took Ultra Power, I was in a fasted state, so I definitely felt those Beta-Alanine tingles, which I always enjoy, and I had some decent energy too. I ended up taking this 4 more times and give it to a couple of gym buddies as well. We all knew going in this was no hardcore high stem pre-workout, which we're fine with. We don't need those every workout, I know. But this is one of those pre-workouts that if you want to come down from a high stem, need an afternoon pick-me-up, something for cardio session, energy boost in the morning, and it's natural flavored, this is probably something to go with. 3.5 scoopers out of 5. Not too bad. Alright, YouTube Nation, now you know what time it is. Found this review helpful, beneficial, and Ultra Power is a pre-workout out there for you. Hit that like button. While you're down there, hit the subscribe button. Come along for 5 minutes review ride.